iQoo Z1 5G confirmed to feature MediaTek Dimensity 1000 Plus SoC, 44 watts fast charging. iQoo Z1 5G, an upcoming smartphone from the new company, will be unveiled on May 19th, and iQoo is trying to get people hyped for the launch by revealing some key specification of the phone. With a couple of new posters on Weibo, iQoo has confirmed the iQoo Z1 5G will be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 1000 Plus SoC, along with some other details. The company recently shared some live images of the phone showing off the design and color options. Additionally, in a separate leak, the price for the iQoo Z1 5G has been tipped, thanks to a promotional poster. The online event will be held on May 19th at 2:30 p.m. CST, 12 p.m. EST, as seen in one of the official posters on Weibo. As of now, iQoo has not announced where the event will be streamed, but additional announcements for the same can be expected in the coming days, since the event is just 5 days away. iQoo Z1 5G price expected. Talking about the price, a report by 91 Mobile states that a promotional poster shows the pricing for the phone's 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage model. It is priced at Kni 2,498, roughly 26,500 rupees. This is expected to be one of the configurations the iQoo Z1 5G will come in. iQoo Z1 5G specifications and design confirmed. iQoo shared 2 posters on Weibo on Thursday, May 14th, confirming the processor, battery capacity, and charging speed for the iQoo Z1 5G. The first poster states the phone will be powered by the 7nm MediaTek Dimensity 1000 Plus CPU with an integrated GPU. The second poster states the phone will come with a 4500 mAh battery and will support 44 watts fast charging. Talking about the design and color options, a separate post by the company shows live images of the phone and reveals 2 color options, Galaxy Silver and Space Blue, translated. It also shows 3 cameras on the back placed in a rectangular module on the top left corner of the phone. From the images, we can make out that iQoo Z1 5G will have a side-mounted fingerprint scanner and the volume buttons placed on the right side of the phone. Thanks for watching this video. You are loved at this video, click thumbs up button, share this video your friends and family. Any doubt, comment.